Attic insulation removal and replacement for Crawford County, Ohio homeowners. Removing and replacement of damaged or contaminated insulation offers several advantages. Improved energy efficiency. Replacing old insulation allows your attic to perform more effectively, helping reduce heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Better indoor air quality. Removing insulation contaminated by mold, pests, or debris can help create a cleaner, healthier living environment. Easier detection of structural issues. Once old insulation is removed, contractors can inspect the attic for hidden roof leaks, wood damage, electrical issues, and air leaks. Enhanced comfort. Properly insulated attics help maintain more consistent indoor temperatures, reducing hot and cold spots throughout the home. Pest and odor elimination. Removing insulation affected by rodents or other pests helps eliminate odors and contaminants that may linger in your attic. Preparation for new insulation. Insulation removal creates a clean foundation for installing modern insulation products that can improve your home's overall performance. At All Clean Cleaning and Recovery, our attic insulation removal and replacement technicians are experienced specialists who utilized advanced technology to restore your property. Call us for fast and professional service.